Bonjour à tous! Welcome back to your favorite French learning channel, Smart Learning Foreign Language. In today's lesson, we're going to learn a fun and easy French verb, Bavarder, which means to gossip or to chat in English. And yes, it's one of those everyday verbs that you'll love using. The French verb Bavarder is used when you're casually talking with someone, just like gossiping with friends or chatting after class. Repeat after me. Bavarder, bavarder. To gossip or to chat. We mostly use it in informal and friendly situations. Let's now learn how to conjugate it in présent de l'indicatif, the present tense. Let's conjugate bavarder together. Listen and repeat. Je bavarde, I gossip, I chat. Tu bavardes, you gossip, you chat, informal. Il, elle bavarde. He, she chats. Nous bavardons, we gossip, we chat. Vous bavardez, you chat, formal or plural. Il, elle bavarde, they gossip. Easy, right? Just follow the regular ER verb pattern in the present tense. Now, let's see how we use bavarder in real-life French conversation with some simple examples. Je bavarde avec mes amis après l'école. That means, I chat with my friends after school. Tu bavardes trop en classe, which is, you talk too much in class. Nous bavardons pendant le déjeuner. We chat during lunch. Ils bavardent toujours au téléphone. They always gossip on the phone. So, try using bavarder in your own French sentences today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Smart Learning Foreign Language, for more easy French lessons, just like this. Also, check the description below for free resources to boost your French learning. Learn French in 30 days, your absolutely free ebook from Eiffel Excellence. Bonjour Basics, a specially designed French guide for school students, how to communicate in French, the best self-guidance ebook for all levels. You'll also find contact details if you have any questions or want to explore personalized learning. Merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and keep learning French the smart way.